Friend of mine from Bulgaria. She has a beautiful voice, so you guys are about to be stunned by her voice. How old are you? The way you feel like, tell them something about yourself. How long you been singing?
Since I was 10, I sing covers, originals. I started this journey, and I'm so happy to be sharing it with like-minded people like Puka. So it's great.
They didn't need to know my government name. So.
Let's go.
That kid is not enjoying the music. I'm nervous, man.
Right?
I found my heart, and as if I used to claim it, it was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew, and the things you'd say, they were never true, and the things you do, you would always be. Well, I set fire to the rain, watch the pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I wanna lay with you. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel your feet. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. And I set fire to the rain, watch you pour as I touch your face. When it burned, will I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it burned, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, the last time.
So let's bring it back, come on. Sometimes I wake up by the door.
The heart you call must be waiting for you.
Even now that we're already over, I can tell myself I'm looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I set fire to the rain, let it burn. I said.
Thank you, Silva. Thank you much for Adelina, please.
Thank you. We're just warming up, guys, so stay here. And big thanks to Luca.